Hi friends, I have brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Somogel. Somogel has 0.6% of lignocaine, 0.02% of cetylpyridinium chloride, 0.06 percentage of menthol, 0.1% of eucalyptol, and 33% of ethanol. It's made by Abbott Pharmaceuticals. It's 20 grams and the price for one box is 72 rupees. Somogel is used to treat oral allergies or infections, for quick relief of pain and soreness in the mouth or other buccal cavity ailments. Somogel is the right choice of drug. It is useful in the treatment of various mouth conditions and disorders. It is used to treat gingivitis. It is used to treat gingivitis, inflammation of the gums, glossitis, tongue becomes inflamed and swollen, sore gums, gums becoming sore and sensitive, toothache, pain in the tooth, mouth ulcers, small lesions that develop in the mouth, sore throat, dry or itchy feeling in the throat, canker sores, painful sores in the mouth that is caused by bacteria or virus, leukoplakia are white patches of cell growth on the cheeks, gums or tongue. It is also used as a local anesthetic that is used to eliminate or diminish the pain. The dosage for Somogel in mouth ulcers or sore throat is applied internally in the mouth. For adults, it is advised to apply to the affected area every 4 to 6 hours. For children from age 12 to 18 years, they should apply to the affected area topically 4 to 6 times in a day. For infants, Somogel is not recommended for babies less than 6 months of age or those babies whose swallowing reflex is not fully developed. This gel should be stored at room temperature not exceeding 30 degrees Celsius. It should be kept in a dry and cool place. It should be kept away from moisture. It should be kept away from direct excessive heat or light. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.